Most riders doing that back double pretty easy in the forward row class. Jarod's taking advantage of his number one starting position. He's got by way of the top 10 figure earlier today. Starting to swing out, so Ari's making it back up to the last couple of corners. Most tails have come to the yeses. Michael there. Ben Cribbin's the gun piece there. Thank you for waiting, Ari. Alright, so Ben Cribbin. Michael Stone. Dominic may go third after Ari and Jarod got his mate out a little bit. So our provisional pole man, Ben Cribbin, made his way to the front. Heading down straight now. And Jarod Ment got through. Ari Bakla also got through as well. So Lockie's been said about making time up on the rest of the leader. Doing at 2 tenths a lap at the moment. Hot lap is at 23.7 to Ben 23.9 at the moment. So there's still plenty of time left to run. We've got 3 minutes left to go. Alright, watch out Dallas, you've got the leader right behind you, and second won't be too far behind either. Thank you Dallas. Anyway, still Bentley out front, but Lockie only visibly close away. Oh, that one's a little bit wide, gives up a little bit more time to Lockie. Jarod and Ari touching wheels again. 2.5 down, 2.5 to go. Oh, Lockie's all over, Cribbin's in. It's hard to know which battle to watch at the moment. The X-Ray versus Associated battle twice. Looks like Cribbin and Donnelly got together and it's Ment and Bakla back to the lead. Ari tries to go around the outside.
After 3 minutes,
very nearly
the top
touches
drivers
it.
are Jarod Ment in first place, followed by Ari Bakla in second place, followed by Ben Cribbin in third place.
Alright, it's Ment, Bakla, Cribbin. Top 3 at the moment. Ment and Bakla going over the double single right now in front of the roller stand. The corner double. Make easy work of that. Kick double over the back. Alright, runs a little bit wide, coughs up a little bit of time to go. Minute and a half left to go in this one now. Jarod looking. Oh, Jarod makes a little bit of an error coming down the step down. Gives Ari the lead. Just over a minute left in this race, drivers, so a couple more laps for these guys. So Lockie makes the pass from Cribbin to third place. They'll come down here through the X's. Alright, Peyton and Aiden. The leader is coming up on you guys now. Thank you very much, Aiden. Oh, Ment makes a mistake, gets Lockie through, but giving Ari an even bigger gap than he already had. 30 seconds left to go in this one. They should get 2 more laps. Ment and Donnelly all over each other now. Donnelly in second.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, Jarod and Lockie also got through, so no victory lap for Ari just yet. Just needs to keep it clean for the rest of the night.
Aiden Young done. John Philpott done. Michael Stone done. Ben Cribbin done. James Mueller done. Dallas Gardner done.
Jared's going
Ari
full
Bakla
set
done.
trying to get it.
Lachlan Donnelly
Just
done.
doesn't have enough for Lockie.
Jarod Ment done. John McMillan done. Hayden Button done. All drivers are fit.